Chapter 4 Simplification Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to define simplification, know the concept of BODMAS, solve BODMAS, warm up, write the symbols and number the picture according BODMAS. O, A, B, D, M, S. Teachers note: apprise students that BODMAS rule is an acronym that is used to remember the order of operations to be followed while solving expressions in mathematics. It stands for B for brackets, O for order of powers or roots, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. It means that expressions having multiple operations need to be simplified from left to right in this order only. In the previous classes, we have studied the four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division separately. But sometimes a numerical expression consists of one or more fundamental operation. The process of solving such numerical expression is called simplification. We solve the numerical expression in the following order: BODMAS, where D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. We do not change the order of these operations. Solved example. Example 1. Simplify. 95 minus 42 divided by 7 into 3 plus 40. Solution: 95 minus 42 divided by 7 into 3 plus 40 is equal to 95 minus 6 into 3 plus 40. D is equal to 95 minus 18 plus 40. M 95 plus 40 minus 18. A 135 minus 18. S is equal to 117. Example 2. Simplify. 86 minus 53 plus 29 plus 10 divided by 5. Solution: 86 minus 53 plus 29 into 10 divided by 5 is equal to 86 minus 53 plus 29 into 2. D is equal to 86 minus 53 plus 58. M 86 plus 58 minus 53. A 144 minus 53. S is equal to 91. Example 3. Simplify. 8 into 6 plus 24 divided by 6 minus 18. Solution: 8 into 6 plus 24 divided by 6 minus 18 is equal to 8 into 6 plus 4 minus 18. D is equal to 48 plus 4 minus 18. M is equal to 52 minus 18 is equal to S is equal to 34. Example 4. Simplify. 198 minus 42 into 15 divided by 5 plus 9. Solution: 198 minus 42 into 15 divided by 5 plus 9 is equal to 198 minus 42 into 3 plus 9. D 198 minus 26 plus 9. M is equal to 198 plus 9 minus 126. A is equal to 207 minus 126. S is equal to 81. Example 5. Simplify. 17 plus 34 divided by 17 into 2 minus 10. Solution: 17 plus 34 divided by 17 into 2 minus 10 is equal to 17 plus 2 into 2 minus 10. D is equal to 17 plus 4 minus 10. M is equal to 20 minus 10. A is equal to 11. S. Facts to know. Achilles Roosevelt is a mathematician who invented BODMAS. Exercise 4.1. Simplify. 1. 23 into 46 divided by 2 plus 15 minus 12. Answer: 532. 2. 80 plus 40 divided by 10 into 2 minus 36. Answer: 52. 3. 100 minus 50 divided by 2 into 5 plus 86. Answer: 61. 4. 7 into 29 plus 42 divided by 3 minus 12. Answer: 205. 5. 49 divided by 7 into 11 minus 20 plus 53. Answer 110. 6. 112 minus 10 plus 50 divided by 10 into 6. Answer 132. 7. 61 into 2 divided by 2 minus 5 plus 12. Answer 68. 8. 120 into 5 plus 28 minus 56 divided by 2. Answer 600. 9. 60 minus 48 divided by 6 into 4 plus 8. Answer 36. 10. 36 minus 13 plus 18 into 12 divided by 4. Answer 77. 11. 120 minus 42 divided by 7 plus 15 into 3. Answer 159. 12. 102 into 21 divided by 7 plus 6 minus 3. Answer 309. 13. 160 minus 82 into 12 divided by 6 plus 5. Answer 1. 14. 450 minus 350 divided by 2 into 2 plus 6. Answer 106. 15. 120 minus 50 divided by 25 into 3 minus 1. Answer 113. 16. 156 divided by 3 into 3 minus 15 divided by 3 plus 2. Answer 153. Use of brackets. Brackets are the grouping symbol used to separate various parts of an expression. There are following different types of brackets. 1. Bar or vinculum. 2. Round brackets or small brackets. 3. Curly brackets or braces. 4. Square brackets or big brackets. We solve the numerical expression containing brackets in the following order. 1. Bar. 2. Small brackets. 3. Curly brackets. 4. Big brackets. We use the order as BODMAS, where BODMAS stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Quick tip. If there is no sign before a bracket, then we take the sign as multiplication. Solved examples. Example 1. Simplify. 20 plus 2, small bracket, 12 minus 10 divided by 5, small bracket close. Solution. 20 plus 2, small bracket open, 12 minus 10 divided by 5, small bracket close is equal to 20 plus 2, small bracket open, 12 minus 2, small bracket close division is equal to 20 plus 2 into 10. Removing small brackets is equal to 20 plus 20. Multiplication is equal to 40. Addition. Example 2. Simplify. 86 minus big brackets plus curly bracket 56 minus small bracket 10 plus 12 divided by 3, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. Solution. 86 minus big bracket 42 plus curly bracket 56 minus small bracket 10 plus 12 divided by 3, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. 86 minus big bracket 42 plus curly bracket 56 minus small bracket 10 plus 4, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. Division. 86 minus big bracket 42 plus curly bracket 56 minus 14, curly bracket, big bracket. Removing small bracket. 86 minus 42 plus 42. Removing curly bracket. 86 minus 84. Removing square brackets. 2. Subtraction. Example 3. Simplify. 12 minus big bracket 4 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 8 divided by 2, small bracket, 8 minus 6, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. Solution. 12 minus big bracket 4 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 8 divided by 2, small bracket, 8 minus 6, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. 12 minus big bracket 4 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 8 divided by 2, small bracket 2, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. Subtraction. 12 minus big bracket 4 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 8 divided by 4, curly bracket, big bracket, removing curly brackets. 12 minus big bracket 4 divided by 2 plus 2, removing curly brackets. 12 minus big bracket 2 plus 2 big bracket. Division. 12 minus 4, removing square brackets. 8. Subtraction. Example 4. Simplify. Big bracket 40 divided by curly bracket 19 minus 3 small bracket 6 minus 4 minus 1 bar small bracket curly bracket big bracket. Solution. Big bracket 40 divided by curly bracket 19 minus 3 small bracket 6 minus 4 minus 1 bar small bracket curly bracket big bracket. Big bracket 40 divided by curly bracket 90 minus 3 small bracket 6 minus 3 small bracket curly bracket big bracket. Removing bar. Big bracket 40 divided by curly bracket 19 minus 3 into small bracket 3 small bracket curly bracket big bracket. Subtraction. Big bracket 40 divided by curly bracket 19 minus 9 curly bracket big bracket. Removing small brackets. Big brackets 40 divided by 10, removing curly brackets. 4. Removing square brackets. Example 5. Simplify. Big bracket, curly bracket, small bracket. 30 minus 9 minus 6 bar, small bracket divided by 3 curly bracket into 6 plus 6 big bracket. Solution. Big bracket, curly bracket, small bracket. 30 minus 9 minus 6 bar, small bracket divided by 3 curly bracket into 6 plus 6 big bracket is equal to big bracket, curly bracket, small bracket 30 minus 3 small bracket divided by 3 into 6 plus 6 big bracket. Removing bar. Big bracket, curly bracket 27 divided by 3 curly bracket into 6 plus 6 big bracket. Removing small bracket. Big bracket, curly bracket 9 curly bracket into 6 plus 6 big bracket. Division. Big bracket 54 plus 6 big bracket. Removing curly brackets. 60. Removing square brackets. Exercise 4.2. Simplify the following. Answer 1. 53. 2. 48. 3. 632. 4. 1,22,360. 5. 1,468. 6. 8,421. 7. 55,840. 8. 642. 9. 7. 10. 24. 11. 71. 12. 38. 13. 24. 14. 12,960. 15. 480. 16. 311. Mental maths. Take the correct choice. 1. 4 plus 7 into 3 is equal to A. 33, B. 36, C. 38, D. 39. Answer A. 33. 2. 24 divided by 6 minus 2 is equal to A. 1, B. 6, C. 2, D. 3. Answer C. 2. 3. 3 into 20 minus 11 into 5 is equal to A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. 4. Answer C. 5. 4. 17.8 plus 27.4 into 19 is equal to A. 3,924.6, B. 260.4, C. 538.4, D. 858.8. Answer D. 858.8. 5. 9 into 6 minus 42. A. 5, B. 12, C. 36, D. 3. Answer B. 12. Math lab activity. Materials required. Steps. Fill in the boxes of crossword puzzle to make the questions true.